My dad taught me how to dribble a basketball and how to parallel park. But most importantly, he taught me how to tell the difference between right and wrong and the importance of fairness.
Poise means that a person is comfortable with who they are. Poise is not something you pick up off the street. Poise comes because my father has been a half-circuit judge for 18 years.
My dad is my strongest role model and a very good friend. My dad has the most relevant and outstanding experience of any candidate on the ballot for judge. Vote for him, Dan Gillespie, on Tuesday, February 5th.
I've been a friend of Dan Gillespie for over 15 years. It's been my pleasure to watch and see how much he truly loves his job. He is at the courthouse by 7 a.m. every morning with a single goal to make sure that everyone who appears before him in his courtroom feels that they get a fair shake.
Why would you vote for somebody else than someone you can trust?
I think as judges we need people who know the law and who have experience on the bench and of course being trustworthy, and Judge Gillespie certainly fits the bill.
Judge Gillespie's experience, he's honest, and in my opinion he's the right man for the job. I hope you vote for him, because I know I will.
I've known Judge Dan Gillespie for over 30 years. He has the attributes that a good judge needs. He's been a public defender, a state's attorney, and a police officer. No other judge in Illinois has had those experiences. That allows him to be fair. That experience allows him to understand people's credibility, people's background, and to be in a position to treat people equally.
The one place in our government these days that needs to be strong, honest, and capable is the judiciary. It's what we've got left. And if we're going to be a nation of laws, we've got to have the proper people to administer them. So I am more than glad to be a supporter of Dan Gillespie as he tries to move further into the judiciary in a more permanent way.
I've known Dan Gillespie for over 20 years. We started working together at the Illinois Attorney General's office under Neil Hartigan. I was the chief of Veterans Rights Bureau, and he helped me on a number of issues pertaining to veterans preference in hiring and some health care issues at the Quincy Veterans Home. I've known Dan to be a hard-working lawyer, a very competent and capable lawyer, and I think he's an outstanding judge. I hope that when the time comes that you will cast your vote for this great American.
Please join me in voting for Judge Dan Gillespie on Super Tuesday, February 5th.